Have you ever seen anyone showered with money without a partner? Hi, friends, my name is Chloe. The information on this YouTube channel and the resources available are for educational and informational purposes only. Today we are looking at how to make money on YouTube without making videos, step by step, 23F. You are lucky to have selected this video to watch. Today we are going to introduce you to Matt Parr and his brilliant strategy, plus his completely complimentary training. Without further ado, let's get into it right away. Matt says that in order for this to be the how to make money on YouTube without making videos, step by step, it has to meet a few criteria. Number 1, you don't have to get on camera or be some sort of influencer. Number 2, you don't have to create a product and a course. Number 3, you don't have to have a large amount of starting capital. Number 4, it has to have a long lifespan, which means you do the work once, and then it can pay you regularly going forward for a long time. Matt went from a completely broke high school student at the age of 14, to now making $30,000 plus a month in 2024 with YouTube, some 9 years later. With Matt's teaching material, we want to show you how to do the same. At the date of this video, 2024, Matt is about 23 years old. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. We would like you to have the money to do what you want, and live your life how you want, drive the car that you want, live in the house that you want and have the partner that you deserve, just like Matt Parr. Welcome to this dissertation on how to make money on YouTube, without making videos, step by step. This is going to be a straight-to-the-point introduction to information that shows you exactly what to do to make money on YouTube, without making videos. It can be a side hustle. You are going to be able to walk away from this episode with actionable information that you can take right now. Specifically, we are going to be going over 4 different secrets for doing this. It's just not going to be like other trainings that just talk about theory. After you have watched this video, click the link at the top of the description below to go straight to Matt's free training. But first, why should you do YouTube as opposed to all of the other business models that are out there? Well, running YouTube channels where you don't ever have to show your face checks all of the boxes for being the best business model out there. First of all, your looks don't matter. Your age doesn't matter. Nothing really matters. You can do this. With current technology and the internet, you can run your YouTube channels from almost anywhere. Matt started his YouTube journey when he was just 14 years old. That was about 9 years ago, as of 2024. He was making $3,000 a month by the time he was 15, and over $30,000 a month by the time he graduated high school. Now, if you implement the secrets, Matt can't guarantee that you will automatically make $30,000 a month when you first start. But we are going to be introducing you to exactly what Matt did, step by step, to achieve these dizzy heights. Now the biggest reason that YouTube is the best business model out there is that you do the work once, and it can continue to pay you for years into the future. With other businesses you can't necessarily say the same. We are going to be showing you exactly what Matt did, step by step, to achieve his dizzy heights. Now the biggest reason that YouTube is the best business model out there is that you do the work once, and it can continue to pay you for years into the future. It's good that you are still here. With YouTube, you set up the systems and processes once. With other businesses, you can't necessarily say the same. For many businesses, you have to constantly be doing new things within the business every single month to continue making money. A piece of digital real estate. That is how you should think of every video that you upload. It lives forever on the internet. Then it should pay you money every single month. Matt still makes monthly money from videos that he uploaded when he first started at just 14 years old. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. So we're going to show you exactly how you can start planting these seeds for yourself, with the 4 secrets that Matt mentioned. We are going to start with secret number 1, which is how to make money on YouTube without making videos. The best niches to do this in secret number 2 will be to how to actually generate that content without showing your face, and you won't need to be recording any videos whatsoever. Secret number 3 will be the true secret for going viral on YouTube fast. We barely even talked about this online, so you're going to get a lot of value from that. Then secret number 4, how to monetize your channel and make the most amount of money possible. Now we are not going to bore you with Matt's story, but we are just going to recap it incredibly quickly. He started YouTube when he was 14 years old. By the time he was 16 years old, Matt was making more money than both of his parents combined. Before he was 20, he was a millionaire from YouTube, and today, he runs over a dozen different channels. He makes millions of dollars per year from YouTube. But basically, to summarize it for you, Matt absolutely hated school. He was dreading having to go deep into debt for multiple years, just to go to college to get an education. He was not interested in working for years to pay that student loan off, much less buy a house with a mortgage, and going to a job that he hated. Matt had little interest in working almost the whole of his life to pay off that college degree and mortgage, and then towards the end of his life, potentially have just a couple years to enjoy a decent retirement. In all honesty, he didn't want any part of it. You may have felt like that in the past as well. Matt was incredibly depressed that, a lot of times, he had a lot of conflict with his parents and stuff. Things are better now, thankfully. But at the time, he was searching for a better way. Matt came across this YouTube channel that was called Top 5s. That channel uploaded videos without ever even showing their face or anything. So he took his crappy iPod Touch that he had with the cracked screen at the time, and he started writing scripts and recording voiceovers using that iPod Touch. Matt did not even know how they were making money at the time, or what they were doing. This is great stuff. Matt was a completely broke high school student at the age of 14. Who did not live like that, to now making $30,000 plus a month with YouTube? Who wants to do that? Matt wants to show you how to do the same. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. Matt started editing the videos together on his laptop, which could barely even edit at the time. He uploaded those videos onto YouTube and none of them took off for a long time. That is, until he learned a couple of secrets, which we are going to be sharing with you within Matt's training. Eventually, after he implemented some of the secrets, he had a video take off and get over 100,000 views. He made notes of exactly what he had done. He identified exactly what worked, and then kept doing that over and over again. He did that until he was getting over 1 million views per month on his channel at just 15. Then he learned about monetization and began making $3,000 a month at age 15. That definitely was not easy. You can, however, benefit from Matt's hard work and the hard work of tons of other people who have created these products. For the purpose of this example, we are just using an education course, which to our mind is the premier course to let you know how to make money on YouTube without making videos. Every single time somebody buys, now that we've got our magic link, we're going to put that magic link in the description of all of our YouTube videos. We want to focus on promoting a digital product so there's no fulfillment cost. Here's how to potentially make over $300 per day doing this. So, Matt just says, Firstly, set up a schedule of posting at least 3 videos per week in the beginning. I know you can literally do this. Just sit down one day a week and crank out 3 of these videos. It'll take you a couple hours and then simply schedule those videos to be released on YouTube. After 1 year you'll have 144 videos. If each video gets on average 500 views per month, but keep in mind, this will not be consistent. 90% of the views will come from only 10% of the videos. Hang in there, friend. We are almost finished. But if we average it out, let's say 500 views per month, which is more than possible, that's 72,000 views per year on your whole channel, containing 144 videos. People just do not think how these views add up over time. It will surprise you how many views you will achieve. With that many views, you could be making $500 daily. Just say we are off this by a lot, these are just averages that Matt found within his own YouTube channels. You can still potentially make a decent income doing this, if you do it the right way. Matt went from a completely broke high school student at the age of 14, to now making $30,000 plus a month with YouTube. Matt wants to show you how to do the same. See what we can do to help you to see how to make money on YouTube without making videos, step by step, without even showing your face. Matt's free training will be sharing with you how to do all of this, after you click the bit.ly link at the top of the description below. Have you ever seen somebody dripping with money, without a partner? Thanks so much for watching. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link in the description below to take you to Matt's free training.